Today, we're going to be reverse engineering a data visualization using a data set in Tableau. Tableau is an interesting tool where you can insert data either from Excel or Access or any other program and have the data mapped out in Tableau, where you can create visualizations such as bar graphs, pie charts, maps, and much more, so that your data can be seen and charted efficiently. So to reverse engineer, first we're going to go to the Makeover Monday website that was provided by the professor, and I chose Black History Month baseball demographics because I'm a huge baseball fan and I noticed the change and the shift in the ethnicities of baseball players over time in Major League Baseball. So you would select in the data column data.world for that information. It'll take you to the visualization page. On this page, you'll see the original visualization and the ability to download the data. You'll select the download link, connect to third-party apps, select Tableau, and you're going to copy this link right here. Now you go to Tableau, connect to a server web data connector, paste it here, hit enter, and you will select submit so that you can download the data into Tableau. It is here in Tableau that you will recreate your visualization. Now you go to sheet 1 so that you can make the chart that was shown on the web page. Going off the chart, the ethnicity is a column, so we'll take that, drop it into the columns, and the year is also part of the column. The measure that we use for the row is percentage of players. Now at the top right, we'll select Show Me and select Stacked Bars so that we can have this data in the stacked bars as it is shown in the original visualization. We must then take this data and order it the same way that we had in the visualization. So we can go back and see it is Asian, Latino, Black, then white. So we will put Asian at the top, then Latino, Black, then white. And now you have a visualization that looks just like the one that we were trying to recreate. The main difference is that the key is over here on the right for my visualization as opposed to laid over the graph in the original. We will then add the title to the visualization. The title of the visualization is Percentage of Baseball Players by Ethnicity 1946 to 2016. So where it says sheet 1, we will put that. Percentage of baseball players ethnicity 1946 to 2016. Oops. And we select OK. And we save it.